We are Jesal and Sonia. After driving over 2,000 miles in our vintage van, we realized our van's back end was sagging downwards. We decided a suspension upgrade was severely needed before we hit the road again.
Alright, so the next thing we need to do for the van is get the suspension checked out because the back end is starting to sag with the extra weight. So we're going to a suspension mechanic to get some advice. So we met with the mechanic, and this is what's going on. Basically, we're a little too heavy in the back end, which is causing these leaf springs back here to kind of sag down. And we're only a little bit away from the bump stops, which is where the axle meets the body of the van. So when you're bouncing, like, they bang together. So when we're on like really bumpy roads, we kind of bottom out and they hit together, and it's causing a really harsh ride. So the mechanic suggested a few upgrades, and he's ordered the parts. And that should solve that problem. So we're lifted back up the way it's supposed to be. There's more clearance and there's more like suspension that's actually helping us get along down the road. So when the parts come in, hopefully this will all get repaired. We decided that the best option for Turtle was to use a combination of the Hellwig helper spring, which mounts directly onto our existing leaf spring pack, and the Timbren suspension enhancement system. This will replace our original bump stops and provide extra support. In addition, we decided to replace the shackles and bushings, which are the moving parts that hold the suspension springs together.
Hey, today is the day. All the parts are in, so we're headed to the suspension shop. Look at the puppy.
He's coming. Ollie, are you a shop cat? Alright, so everything's looking okay. Things seem to fit, except for a bit of a dilemma. There's a little bit of rust on the original parts, so they have to be cut off and then replaced with new parts. So Eric, the mechanic, is going to go buy more parts. Meanwhile, we're all still just chilling here. Oliver's got his nature show on the TV, and Luna's taking a little bit of a nap.
Metal diameter is slightly different. It may press. We're gonna try and press it.
What are the risks, I guess, if we use...
That the part gets damaged.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah.
I know, Luna, it's gonna be okay. I know. She's like worried.
I think she wants to play.
I know, she does.
And Oliver's turning into a little shop cat too. Look at him.
I wanted to have a shop cat up here.
Get one.
Nice. It's working. This is the rubber shock that's going to go right here. Provide extra lift.
It's like the bracket for the top right here, so it replaces that, and then this will sit here with the clamps to your axle like that, and then this just sits on top of it. Go between there.
Cool. Thanks. Look at all these
So unfortunately the van does need some more parts that they don't have here because the parts that they ordered were not exactly the right fit. So because of like the custom design of this, so they're gonna get the new parts. We're gonna leave the van here overnight and we're gonna continue tomorrow. So hopefully that'll be the end of it. Uber, Lyft, these guys are making friends. Amigos, verdad?
Yeah.
One day later.
Look at that! Great! Oh my god, looks so good. I look so happy. Get Ollie, he's doing an inspection.
Usual quality assurance. How's it look, Oliver?
Did they do a good job? Yeah? I think that's the approval.
Checking the truth.
Check, Ollie.
We were at 32. Now we're at almost 34.
It's 33 and a half.
Nice.
Wow, that's crazy. Yay.
We did something.
Yeah, it gave us an inch and a half back. 80 in the back. Did he tell you he measured it?
An inch and a half?
Inch and a half.
Pretty good.
We're back. So
Hopefully it rides well.
I think so. We'll see. It'll be stiffer, but I think that's a good thing. Less body roll.
Yes.
Our first sticker. We still have to put a lot more on here, but our suspension shop gets the first sticker.
Bye, baby. Oh, look at that face.
Oh.
So cute.
Big old head.
Thanks for keeping Luna company.
The road is calling, so that's the main thing we want to focus on.
Do it.
So, and then whatever else comes.
Alrighty.
Boy, thank you.
Bye. Thanks,
Bye,
Eric.
Definitely less bouncy, like in a good way. It's more firm. We're about to take this right turn. That's will be the moment of truth of how much body roll there is on the van.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's way more
Hey,
stable.
not bad. So stable. That was awesome.
Yeah, you can feel the difference.
I can already tell the difference that this is higher because I used to just put my foot here and now I have to really lift my leg up to get up here. So that's good. It's definitely lifted and nice and straight. Come on, Luna, let's go. All right, that's it for this week. Thanks again, Eric and Josh, for helping us with our suspension. We love the drive now. It is really comfortable.
It makes a pretty big difference, I think.
Yeah.
Just like even on the main roads, but like I can't imagine how much better it's going to be on the back roads. Like we were swaying and in the wind and all that, it'll really improve, I think.
I think so too. And it just gives us like an extra bit of comfort knowing that we got it done before anything bad happened and it feels like a really smooth drive. So thanks again. I'm so glad we did this, especially for like an older van.
It's definitely important with an older van, and when we add like a lot of weight like this in the interior for the renovation we did, it's pretty necessary to have all of the like upgrades for the suspension since it was kind of getting old and worn out.
Yeah.
Speaking about the interior renovation, we had been working on that this week too, and I think through next week we're going to be finishing it up. So if you want to watch to see how all of that comes together, stay tuned, and I think we'll be done by next week.
Yeah. Alrighty, we'll see you then.
See ya.
Bye. He's not enjoying it.
He's not in the mood for pets.
Okay, high five. I'll stop. Just give me a high five and I'll stop. Please, please. Thank you.